Good morning. It is Monday today, and it's the start of a new week. It's the 5th week here, and that's crazy. Tomorrow we've been here 1 month, and that's insane to think about. We just did a workout. On Monday our classes start at 12, so got some time to do nothing, so I did a workout, which was good. And I wanted to show you the things I bought. I told you about it in the last vlog, but I didn't show it, so I thought I'm gonna show you my stuff. This is my new coat, and I'm so happy. Wait, I'm just gonna put it on. Look, I'm so happy. And that is the scarf. And I also bought these 2 t-shirts, and I'm so happy. Because it's like, oh my god. We also have a progress test today, which is quite scary. It's like to see if you've improved and if you can go 1 level up. And I don't know. It's kind of scary because I don't want to leave my class and my teacher and stuff, so I hope that sticks together, but I'm not sure. We'll find out. Hi. It's our anniversary today, because we've been here 1 month. It's the 13th of October, and that's crazy, because it doesn't feel like a month. But anyway, to celebrate, we got Starbucks, like, what is this? Something. And cupcakes! Look! Woo! Hi. Hi. And we're gonna watch Friends on the floor. I'm wearing my new t-shirt, and I'm really happy with it. And we're watching Into the Woods. And I love that movie. I've only seen it once, though. That's not me. I watch movies multiple times. Anyway, we're gonna watch it now. And Edith is making tea. We just did a workout, and it was a really good one, but also a really exhausting one. It was awful, and I'm so tired right now. We also did laundry, and I'll just show you the damage. Yeah, I don't really want to put my stuff in the dryer because I've heard stories that your clothes will shrink, and I don't want them to. So I'm drying them in the room right now. That's very interesting. There was like a fire alarm test thing. I don't know if it was a test. Maybe there was... Anyway, the fire alarm was like ringing for 15 minutes, and we had to leave the classrooms and stand outside in the cold, and it was awesome. Now we're having lunch, and I'm done for the day. So I'm gonna probably write an essay, but let's pretend I'm gonna chill. You know when you finish a book or like a show or something that you've been really into, and you like get to the end and it feels like you fall into a black hole of nothingness? I just finished this book. And it was so good, and now I'm sad because now I have nothing. Oh god. But probably next week my 2 new books are gonna come, Binge and Girl Online on Tour. So that's exciting. We've just written essays for homework. Mine was about equality of like men and women and payment in jobs and blah blah blah. What was yours about?
Abortion.
Very cool. It had to be about contentious issues, because that's what we've been talking about, so yeah. Anyhow, tonight we're gonna watch Dutch TV, and that's all. Oh, and the day after tomorrow, my family's gonna be here, and I'm really excited. We're eating cream crackers, and we're watching YouTube videos, and we're basically waiting for the dinner. So sad.
Don't do it to me.
Worst workout ever, but I feel really good now. But like every single thing we did I couldn't do, so I just collapsed during the exercise thing, and just every single time. Oh well, it was good. I feel good now, and I hope I feel it tomorrow, because that's like satisfying. Good morning. It is Saturday and it's sheet exchanging day, so I'm like exchanging my sheets. And my parents and my sisters are going to be here in 2 to 3 hours, and I'm so excited. I'll be there for you. Waiting for my family. Gonna be here any minute now. Look who's here! I'm there, but I can't. Oh.
Hi.
I'm really happy.
Me too.
I was so happy to see my family today. When I like saw them and they came to me like hugging me, I was crying. But I was really happy and I spent like half the day with them. We went for dinner tonight, also with Ellen and Judith, and it was fun. And tomorrow we're going to go to Brighton. I'm really excited about that because I'm dying to see Brighton. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. It's like 9:30 now. I got a suitcase with like clothes that my parents brought me and food and stuff. I'm gonna unpack that. Then I'm gonna probably get in my PJs and take my makeup off and stuff and get into bed. Then watch the new Grey's Anatomy. So I got quite a nice evening planned. I feel a little crappy. I really don't know why. Like ever since my parents got here, I feel like a little shitty because I don't know why. I love them a lot and I miss them a lot. So I'm really happy that they're here, but I also feel crappy. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm gonna do that to make me feel good. Probably eat some pepernoten because they're amazing. And I'm excited for tomorrow. I'm kind of like secretly hoping that Zoe and Elfie are gonna be in town because I really want to meet them. And they live in Brighton, so we might meet them. But I don't think so. I shouldn't get my hopes up. It would be nice though. I'm excited to see Brighton and I'm excited to spend some like me time tonight. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I just talked about rubbish for a minute. So I really have to do something about this mess. I'm not gonna do it now though. So everything in this store is made out of chocolate and it's really cool. Look at that. So we're back from Brighton. I had a really nice day. Brighton is really cool. And I'm gonna say goodbye to you now because I need to upload the vlog. So thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye!